Hello, this is Becky with iHeart Art Studios. It has been a few weeks since I've been able to post anything, but I've had a lot going on recently. But I still wanted to come on here today and just share a little tidbit of what is going on. First of all, are you ready for it? Woo! 100! I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel here. I am just so thankful that you just keep coming back to watch me talk, and I talk too much. But I am also in the process of doing a 100 subscriber video where I am making 100 Christmas ornaments. So I have started making a few of them. I'm basically using this MDF. Right now I'm in the process of taking some gesso, I think it's called, and I am going to be applying it to every single one of these ornaments. I'm going to be making them. I will be having a few of these for sale in my studio. I've been working on updating my website so I can have a shop and actually ship things to you. So please bear with me. I'm a work in progress right now. But in honor of 100 subscribers, I am making at least 100 ornaments, and I will be giving away as many ornaments as over 100 as I have by the time I get this video posted. So I will be giving away ornaments. Right now I'm actually at 105 subscribers, which means I'll be giving away 5 ornaments. And in order to win one of the ornaments that I will be creating, you'll need to be a subscriber to my channel. So if you haven't clicked subscribe yet, it's right down there in the bottom corner. You can actually see it while you're watching the video. And you also would need to like the video that I post and make a comment. So I will be showing you the ornaments that I'll be making, and then you'll need to make a comment on that video with which of the ornaments you would like to win. The next video that I post, the one that I'm currently working on, that will be the video that you will need to be liking and commenting in order to qualify. So I just wanted to come on and say hi though, because I miss you all so much. And I have a lot of ornaments that I need to be creating. I'll show you some of them. You can see I've got quite a few started. I still have quite a few more to go. They're all getting a nice layer of gesso first, which basically is white paint, I think, I don't know. And I will have, I believe, like 5 or 6 designs, those type of things. They're gonna be kind of funny, but I'm also gonna have some that I'll just be hand painting with cool designs. I'm hoping to get that video released within the next week, by next week Thursday. Fingers crossed. And then moving forward, at least through the holiday season, I may get one more out before Christmas. Make sure to subscribe if you like art and painting and just me being quirky. And click the bell icon if you want to get notified whenever new videos get posted. That way you will be the first one to make a comment, because that would be pretty cool, let me tell you. I have a lot of painting to do. I have an event tonight in the studio, and I have some custom orders that I gotta finish up, so I'm gonna let you go. But I just wanted to say hi, and I love you all, and I miss you, and I can't wait to get creative with you. All right, see you later. Bye.